Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the second part of the CSI astronomy activity. This is going to be scene 4 through 6. I'm going to go ahead and start again with our Science 6 page on Schoology. Scroll down to Module H, Unit 2, Lesson 2, and it's right here. Okay, there's the video for the first 3 scenes. We'll go ahead and open this, and you should have it on paper. Let's see. So we did the first 3 scenes. Let's go ahead and skip to scene number 4, which is in Disney World. But of course. Okay. Darth Swag posed as a tourist and snatched a Pluto costume and a Darth Vader lightsaber. It is unclear if this is needed for a world-conquering device or if Darth Swag is getting a head start on the next Halloween. And then this is Darth Swag talking, okay? Students, I'm your teacher. Soon I will be your science writer. In the spirit of the Magic Kingdom, I am considering launching a Make Pluto a Planet Again campaign. Then I will rename it Planet Swag. 8 is enough. In the overview of the history of Pluto, items have been changed. Circle the mistakes. How many sections have at least one mistake? So let's scroll down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, okay? And each section has some sort of information. So this says, section 1 says, once considered the 9th planet from the sun, Pluto is unlike the other recognized planets in the solar system in terms of size. It is smaller than Earth's moon and is a cold, rocky world. Fossil excavations have determined that it previously did host life, and humans are considering it to be the home of a habitable colony. Okay, so humans are not considering it. That is not correct. So we have at least one. Let's pretend it's the only one. I don't think that it is, but let's pretend it's the only one section that contains errors. So that would be L. So when we come back to our evidence page, on number 4, you could write however many sections have an error, and then you would put your clue, your L or whatever letter there. But that's section 4, and you'll need to read through each one of those. Just a reminder, this is an individual assignment. This is not a group assignment. This is not a collaborative assignment. This is an assignment that you will do individually and you will find individually. Scene number 5, National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. Darth Swag dug an underground tunnel into the famous museum. Researchers on site discovered a laptop from which confidential information was stolen. Wait until you feel my epically groovy force. After I'm done with these dance moves, you won't even remember your own name. Okay. The biographies are a bit scrambled. False information has been added to some, and others are completely misattributed. That means that what they've done is they've taken the accomplishments of one astronomer and given it to another astronomer. That is misattributed. Cross out the false information, circle the incorrect attributions, and state who it belongs to. So here's our astronomers. There's Ptolemy, Copernicus, Galileo, Kepler, and Newton. It said how many bios are completely factual and correctly attributed. So that means that everything that is said in the description is a fact, and that whatever is said in the description is correctly attributed to the correct astronomer, okay? You might have to do some research on this online. I know Newton, Kepler, actually all of these guys are in your book. So if you've done your notes, you should have at least a background. But if you have any specific questions about who did what, you might want to search it. So let's pretend that 4 are completely factual and all the information is correct, and it's credited to the correct astronomer. So that would be S. So when I come up here, since this is scene 5, I would go all the way up to the top so this is scene 5. So I could write the astronomer's name here and put the S in the clue. And then the last scene that we have before we unscramble the letters is scene 6. It says scene 6, International Space Station in outer space. Darth Swag used a stolen rocket to travel to outer space. It is unclear what equipment was stolen. Police are attempting to launch another rocket to chase. The ellipse is now complete. It will not be long until the Cyan Tormentors take over all knowledge. Okay, thank you, Darth Swag. Planet trivia. Let's play 7 truths and a lie. A fake fact about a planet has been added to the list. Which one is false? Okay, so down here, these are all of the facts. Okay, you have to choose the one that is false. Okay, so I don't know. Let's pretend the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing, so in the distant future there may be 25 hours a day. I don't think that's the right one, but if we were to choose that one, then we would put E in our evidence. We would write whatever planet it was that had the false message and put E. Now we have 6 letters. All of our clues are letters. So I would write all of my clue letters here, and you're going to have to unscramble them. So let's go back to the very bottom. So now you have all of the letters. It says unscramble the code and try to stop me. Houston, you have a problem until the sequel, Darth Swag. Okay, so once you have gotten all of the clues and you have your cryptic message, and then you figure out what your message says, it should point you to a suspect. Okay, again, whatever your cryptic message is, if for some reason it spells out zebra or an animal, then your suspect would be Rishi. If it spells out a food, like chicken or hamburger, then your suspect would be Haley. Okay, so you will turn this in once you have your suspect and everything filled out. And if you have any questions, please let me know.